watching KOLO 8 News Now at 5:30.
New at 5:30, a healthcare protest turned ugly. Why Renown Hospital Management threatened to fire its nurses for speaking out. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Brent Boynton.
And I'm Pat Hambride. Union nurses at Renown had to relocate their rally this morning after hospital managers told them they could face termination if they participated. Renown and the Service Employees International Union, or SEIU, have been in contract negotiations for about a year, yet have come to no agreements. KOLO 8's Auburn Hutton joins us live from Renown with the story. Auburn, this protest was supposed to take place about where you're standing.
That's right, Pat. The hospital staff said that picketing here would have been unlawful since the notice did not say an exact time that the protest would occur. Now, union negotiators say that's not true. They feel that they gave the hospital ample notice about where the protest would be and when, and they said that these threats to fire are simply a violation of the nurses' freedom of speech.
Well, I think it's ridiculous. I think that the community needs to know what's going on.
And I think it's an attempt to try to scare people from showing up to this event, primarily.
What do you want? When do you want it?
Whatever the reason, nurses still showed up, close to 200 of them. So as not to make waves, protesters were bussed from Renown to the heart of downtown Reno. They say since they couldn't protest at the hospital, they took the issue to the streets. Nurses say a shortage of staff means patient safety at Renown is being compromised. They want a higher nurse-to-patient ratio, and shorter waits in the emergency room and intensive care unit.
Not enough nurses that'll work at the bedside anymore. These are parts of our community. These are our family members. This is where my children go. This is where my children were born. I think it's very, very important that we take care of them the way they deserve.
Grant Reno is not a nurse, but he marched right alongside them, saying someday one of these protesters may be at his bedside.
I am much in sympathy with the nurses' cause. First of all, because I say I'm elderly, I'm going to be needing care now and then.
Nurses say the rally is not just for show, but a real message that it's time for change. After nearly a year of negotiations with hospital management, many of them say they are fed up.
They're just shutting their doors on us, and they're rejecting everything that we have offered to fix their hospital.
After several requests, Renown staff denied any on-camera interviews.
I don't know what they're reserving their thoughts for. I'm not real sure, but it seems to me that they would want to stand up.
Now, well, they wouldn't talk to us. The hospital did release a statement. They said that by moving the picket line, the protesters basically admitted that they were at fault, saying that where it stood, if it stood here, the protest would have been unlawful. Now, the hospital does remain open while these negotiations continue and during the protest. No service was denied today at all, nor will it be. Nurses hope that today's protest will help speed things along. Pat?
Well, Auburn, it seems patient care is at the forefront of this issue, but are nurses asking for anything else?
Well, they are also asking for more benefits. Some of them are saying that they want more benefits, higher salaries. They also have a lot of criticism toward the hospital. Certain things like Renown CEO Jim Miller, they talked about his $1 million salary, as well as that giant tower that was built here that cost millions of dollars. They say that the money spent on those things, as well as his salary, along with the negotiation process, could have been better spent just simply hiring more nurses. Pat?
All right. Auburn Hutton reporting live for us tonight. Thanks.